If the ratio of women to men in a meeting is 4 to 1, what percent of the persons in the meeting are men? What topic is it? The topic is ratio and proportion. So the common mistake is just to divide 1 by 4. So 1 over 4 times 100%, that's 25%. Then you'd say answer is 25%, but it's actually incorrect. That answer is incorrect, and we'll see why. So let's make a graphical representation of this ratio. So ratio of women to men is 4 to 1. So taga-apat na babae, merong isang lalaki sa meeting na yun. Right? For every 4 women, there is 1 man. So, tanong dito is, what percent are men? So, ano formula niyan? Ang percent ng men sa meeting. That's number of men over total persons times 100%. So, paano natin i-compute ang total? Total is just what? Number of men plus number of women, right? Times 100%. So, let's do that. Substitute values. Ilan men nga? Isa. Isang lalaki over number of men plus number of women. So, number of men, 1 plus number of women, 4. So, 5 sila lahat. So, that's 5 times 100%. 1 over 5 times 100%. So, 1 divided by 5 is 0.2 times 100%. It's equal to 20%. So, the correct answer is 20%.